Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. We are working on our rehab of one of our rentals that I've already videoed a couple different things. And I have this wonderful gizmo that I just have to talk about. It is called, let's see, I'm rotating my phone, sorry. It is a magnetic clean club. And of course, we've pulled up all the carpeting, and you can hear my husband doing the carpeting upstairs. So you get all sorts of nails of all different shapes and sizes. So as part of vacuuming, I'm actually going through with this first, and I am having it pick up all the nails to throw in the garbage. And I absolutely love it. So this is just a quick little, if you don't have one of these and you own a home or you're involved in homes, in any way, I can't see a real need for it in the RV that we live in, but absolutely for a homeowner, picking up metal bits and pieces without having to bend over is wonderful. Thanks for watching.